Hello kitties, I am your teacher Pavitra, Bharatidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today, we are going to learn a topic from English for UKG kitties. Shall we children? Yes, very good. Okay children, what topic today we are going to learn? Any guesses children? No, it's okay. See here. Today, we are going to learn 3-letter words. What is it dears? Yes, 3-letter words. Let's spell out the words, okay? T-H-R-E-E, 3. L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. W-O-R-D-S, words. 3-letter words. Okay, what is meant by words, children? Words na enna chellum? Group of letters joined together and that gives a meaning, means that is a word. Okay va? Letters alla சேர்ந்து join ஆகி ஒரு meaning கொடுத்துச்சு அப்படினு சொன்னா அதுதான் word அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? In that today we are going to learn 3-letter words, so that 3 letters have to be joined and give some meaning. Okay? Let's listen. First, see here, before entering into the topic, I am going to tell you one thing. Listen to me carefully, okay? In this class, those words have one special and similar thing, okay? நம்ம இந்த கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்க போறிய எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸ்லயும் ஒரு similar thing இருக்கு, okay? You have to listen the class carefully and also you have to find out that similar thing. At the end of the session, you have to say to me what is the similar thing we have seen in the class. Okay children? So, யார் answer பண்ண போறீங்கன்னு மேம் பார்க்க போறேன். என்ன similar thing இந்த கிளாஸ்ல எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸ்லயும் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நீங்க கிளாஸ் உடைய லாஸ்டா எனக்கு சொல்லணும். Okay? Let's listen. What is it dears? What is it? Yes, this is our school bag, right? Do you all like your school bag children? School bag உங்க எல்லாருக்குமே பிடிக்கும் தானே செல்லும்? Yes, very good. What are the things you have to keep in your school bag? என்னென்ன திங்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம கண்டிப்பா ஸ்கூல் பேக்ல வச்சு கொண்டு வரணும்? Yes, books, notes and then box, pencil, pen, eraser, etc. Okay? You should not disturb your mother or father to arrange your school bag. Okay வா? மம்மி டாடியை என் ஸ்கூல் பேக் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி கொடுங்க மம்மி அப்படி சொல்லி டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணவே கூடாது. Okay? You have to arrange your school bag properly. Okay? You should know about the things what you have to bring to the school, right? உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா? So you have to arrange your school bag the previous day night itself. Okay children? It's very good. Okay, what is the spelling of the word bag? Bag உடைய spelling என்ன? Anyone knows? Yes, B-A-G, bag. Very good. Listen, usually we write English in 4-line note, right children? So you have to take your 4-line note, take your pencil and then what we have to do before writing? Yes, you have to sharp your pencil. Okay? First listen. Top red line, top blue line, bottom blue line and then bottom red line. 4 lines are there in your note also. Okay? Now we are going to write the spelling of the word bag in 4 line. Okay children? Listen. Keep your pencil on the top red line. Okay? From here, come down, make a bend, go up, left side bend, again one curve. What letter is this children? B. What letter dears? B. From here, don't lift your pencil, okay? See here. From here, A. You have to write the letter A. Without lifting your pencil, write the letter G. Come down, make a bend and finish the letter G like this. So, what word is this children? Yes, bag. B-A-G, bag. What word is it? Yes, B-A-G, bag. Very good. The next one. See here. Oh my God, what is this? Yes, this is the cute cat, right children? It's very good. What is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. Very good. It is an animal, right? Pet animal, right children? It's very good, very good. Now listen, it likes to eat milk, right? It likes to drink milk, right children? Mummy milk la vachirundanga na veetla poona enna pannum vandu and milk alla kudichittu poidum illaya? Yes, very good. It likes to drink milk, right? Okay. Now listen, we are going to write the spelling of the word here. Okay children? Listen to me carefully. Keep your pencil on the third line, okay? First, second and then third line. Keep your pencil there. From here, start from the small bend, go up and touch the top red line, come down, touch the bottom blue line and make a curve like this, okay? From here, A, you have to write the letter A and then listen, go up, touch the top red line, come down with the same line, finish it with the bend. See here, in between the standing line you have to put one small sleeping line, okay? So, what letter is this? What word is this? Yes, C-A-T, cat. What is it children? Yes, what is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. Very good. The next one, see here. Oh my God, what is it? What is it children? Yes, it is a rat, right children? Okay, do you like to watch Tom and Jerry cartoon? Tom and Jerry பார்க்க பிடிக்குமா சொல்ல உங்களுக்கு? Tom and Jerry பிடிக்கும் தானே? Yes, very good. In that cartoon, Tom and Jerry are friends or enemies? Friends or enemies அவங்க? Enemies, right children? So, in the real life also, rat and cat or cats are enemies, okay? So, see here, we live in our home. நம்ம நம்மளுடைய வீட்ல வாழறோம், right? Our home, right children? Likewise, rat also have home. The home of the rat is called hole. எங்க இருக்கும் சொல்லும் rat? Hole ல தானே இருக்கும். ஆமா தானே? Yes, very good. The home of the rat is called hole, okay? Now, we are going to write the spelling of the word rat here. Shall we children? Yes, listen. Again take your pencil. Keep your pencil on the top red line, okay? From here, come down, touch the bottom blue line, go up, left open curve, here one slanting line, right? This is the letter R. Without lifting your pencil, listen, go up, curve and then join the curve. Let's make a letter A. From here, listen carefully, write the letter T. So, what word is this children? Yes, R-A-T, rat. What is it dears? R-A-T, rat. Very good. The next one. See here, what is it? Have you ever seen this children? எங்கயாவது பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா செல்லம்? What is it? It is called a dam. What is it children? Dam. D-A-M. Dam. Damனா என்ன தெரியுமா செல்லம்? அங்க ஒரு பெரிய பிளேஸ்ல வாட்டர், ரெயின் வாட்டர், அப்புறம் ரிவர்ல இருந்து வர வாட்டர் எல்லாமே அங்கே சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, வாட்டர் ஸ்கேரிட்டி நம்மளுக்கு இருக்கும்போது ஃபார்மிங்க்கு, ஓகேவா, அப்புறம் நம்மளுடைய ட்ரிங்கிங் வாட்டருக்கு, ஸோ எல்லா நீட்ஸ்க்கும் டேம்லேருந்து வாட்டரை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ டேம் இஸ் த பிளேஸ் வேர் வி கேன் சேவ் ஆர் ஸ்டாக்னேட் தி வாட்டர். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், very good. See, now we are going to write the spelling of the word dam. Okay, now listen, keep your pencil on the top red line. Okay, from here come down with the standing line, make a circle, go up and finish the letter like this. This is the letter D. Let's listen, keep your pencil on the third line, right? From here, A, M, D, A, M, dam. What word is this children? D, A, M, dam. Superb. The next one. See here. What is it dears? What is it? Yes, it is a tap, right children? Yes, very good. Whenever you want to use water, you must open the tap and then what? If you want to wash your hands means wash your hands, brush your teeth means brush your teeth, wash your face means wash your face, okay? But at the end of that activity, you have to close the tap tightly, okay children? Don't waste water, okay? So, what is the spelling of the word tap children? T-A-P, tap. Let's write the spelling here. Listen to me carefully my dears. Listen, keep your pencil on the top red line, okay? Here, listen, make a bend like this, come down with the standing line, finish it with the upward open curve, okay children? So, this is the letter T, okay? Next listen, here you have to write the letter A. From here, listen to me carefully, okay? See, go up and make a small loop here and then come down with the standing line till the bottom line, okay? Here listen, you have to draw a left open curve. So, this is the letter P. So, all together T-A-P, tap. What word is that? Yes, T-A-P, tap, okay? Good. The next one, what is it dears? Yes, it is bat and ball picture, and then this one is also called as bat, okay? See here, what is the difference between this and this? See here children. Okay, do you like to play cricket? Cricket விளையாட பிடிக்குமா செல்லம்? It's very good. In cricket, we use bat and ball, right children? So, bat and ball are for playing, okay children? Yes, very good. What about this bat? This is a mammal, okay children? இதை என்னன்னு சொல்வோம்? இந்த பேட்டை வவ்வால் சொல்வோம், சரிங்களா? வவ்வால் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் bat அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்லுவாங்க, ஓகே செல்லம்? So, same spelling but two different meanings are there, right children? Bat is a plaything and then another bat is a mammal, right? Very good. Now, we are going to write the spelling of the word bat and 4 lines. Listen. Keep your pencil on the top red line. From here, come down with the standing line. Make a bend. Go up. Curve. Again, left curve. Make a circle like this. Okay. From here, listen. A. T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. What is the spelling of bat, dears? B-A-T. Bat. Very good. The next one is, what is it, darlings? Yes, by seeing this, what strikes in your mind? Dosa. Very good. Do you all like dosa? Yes, very good children. A mummy prepared dosa by using pan, right children? It's very good. So, it is a type of vessel, okay? Yes, good. Listen. The spelling of the word pan is P-A-N, pan, okay? Listen. Keep your pencil on the top red line. From here, come down with the standing line, make a bend, go up and finish it with the left curve, left side curve, okay? So, this is the letter P, okay? Listen. Then, from here, you have to write the letter A, go up and then write the letter N. N should be downward open curve, okay children? So, P-A-N, pan. What is the spelling of the word pan? P-A-N, pan. Very good. Pan is a type of vessel, right? The next one and the final one, what is it children? Yes, you all know about the name of this because it's a essential thing in all our houses, right children? So, what is it? Yes, fan. What is it children? Fan. Yes, very good. It gives fresh air, right children? Yes, நம்மளுக்கு fan இல்லனா இருக்க முடியுமா? அம்மா புழுங்குது, மம்மி புழுங்குது சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? So, fan is the essential thing in our houses nowadays, right? It's very good. But now listen, if you want to leave from the home, okay, leave from that room means you must switch off the fans, okay children, so that you can save the electricity power, okay children. நம்ம கண்டிப்பா ரூம்க்குள்ள இருக்க வரைக்கும் நம்ம ஃபேன் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், லைட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். நமக்கு தேவையில்லை நம்ம அங்க இருந்து போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you have to switch off the fan, okay children. Very good. Next we are going to write the spelling of the word fan here. Listen. Make a bend like this, come down with the standing line, go up with the bend. Okay, what letter is this? This is the letter T, right? Very good. How to change the letter T into F? Eppadi T F ah maathanu chello? It is very simple, right? Listen, you have to draw a small sleeping line in between that standing line, right? So, we can get the letter F, correct? Yes. Listen here. A N fan, F-A-N fan. What is the spelling of fan? F-A-N fan. Very good children. Now listen. Now you have to tell me what are the words we have learnt in this class. Okay, நீங்க தான் இப்போ மேம்க்கு சொல்ல போறீங்க. I am going to write down those words here. Okay, what is the first word we have learnt in this class? What is the word? Bag. Very good. B A G. Bag. The next one, cat. Very good. C A T. Cat. What is the next one, dears? Rat. Correct. You all answered well, my dears. R A T. Rat. Good. What's the next one? Dam. Absolutely correct. D A M. Dam. Very good. The next one is tap. T A P. Tap. Good. The next one is pan. Good. P A N. Pan. Next, what is the final one we have learnt in this class, my dears? Yes, that is fan. F A N. Fan. Very good. These are the words we have learnt in this class, right children? At the starting of this session, I have told you what? There is a similar thing in all those words in this class, right children? நீங்க எல்லாரும் கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்களா என்ன similar thing இந்த words எல்லாத்துலயும் இருக்கு நீங்க எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்களா செல்லம்? My kids are too brilliant, right? So you have to answer me correctly, right children? என்ன similar thing இருக்கு செல்லம்? Yes, very good. See here, in all the words, the center letter will be A. Right? எல்லா wordsலயும் center letter என்ன செல்லம் இருக்கு? A அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. Okay. A belongs to vowel letters, right? What are the vowel letters, children? Yes, A, E, I, O, U, right? So, these 5 letters are the vowel letters, okay? In that, A is used all these words, right children? So, what about the other letters of the alphabet? Those are called consonants, right? A, E, I, O, U vowels. Other letters are consonants சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? So see here, நம்மளுடைய A க்கு left side or right side இருக்க எல்லா letters-உம் consonants, right? So in between the two consonants, the vowel letter A comes all the words, right children? So we can call all these 3 letter words as A sound words. Okay children? You all have answered well, correctly, right children? So applause for yourself. Dear students, in the below description we have attached study material, question bank and then self assessment, okay, for the further clarification. In that, now I am going to explain the question bank for you. Okay, listen. The first Roman in the question bank is write the dictation words. Okay, dictation words 3-letter words la dictate panna neenga adha eludano. Okay, next Roman is write the missing letters. 3-letter words kuduthirukanga, adla edho oru letter miss aayirukku, adu enna nu kandupidichu you have to fill in that dash. The next one, tick the correct answer. 2 options are given here and then one picture is given here. Okay, so you have to write the correct option here. Okay children, next you have to tick the correct answer from the options. Okay, next listen, look at the pictures and write their names. In the picture ku keela idu enna picture abdingra name kandupidichu neenga spelling eludano. Okay children, so I hope you all enjoy this session, right children? So sleep well and then eat well and then study well. Okay, bye bye, thank you.